All right, I wanted to walk through real quick, I guess my expectations for assignment number 5. As I'm going through grading assignment number 5, I've noticed that there's been a lot of an unclear of what my expectations were. So let's just be clear. When I grabbed this one, this is the 4th assignment in assignment number 5, the 4th practice assignment. So I want you to go back and redo 1, 2, and 3. It should take not very long, and then just resubmit. Okay. If you get a bad grade, resubmit. Okay. So a couple things that I liked about this one. First, very good comments. So comments all the way through. Okay. All the way down like so. Okay. Next, what I liked about this is everything's in a function. Okay. So here's a function, add product, name and quantity. Here's another function, remove product. Another function, view the inventory. And then finally, the main function. Here, this is the main function that's going to control the whole thing. And at the very, very end, you call the main. Okay, so if main, run main. Okay, so in this function here, this is where looks like Madison is calling all the other functions like remove product and send in product name. If you come up here, here's remove product, it removes the name, it deletes it, and so forth. Okay, so don't redo number 4, practice part number 4. Just do it for the first 3 and just convert them over to have functions. Okay, so everything should be in a function. Notice that she initialized her dictionary up here at the top, which is perfectly fine, but everything else should be inside a function. Okay, so ChatGPT will help a lot with that. Pretty easy. Down here, probably if it was going to make this a little bit better, I would probably add some more comments here, like if they choose number 1, this is what it's going to happen. If they choose number 2, this is what's going to happen here. Okay. Other than that, I think this one's actually a pretty good idea of what my expectations are. So just go ahead and redo 1, 2, and 3, convert them over to functions, resubmit, and I will get them graded accordingly. Also, remember for assignment number 6 and 7, we're going to be creating all of those as GUIs, okay, using tkinter.